Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I will be solving the fourth problem of bi-weekly contest 91, which is split message based on the limit. So let's move to the problem statement. We have a string message and a positive integer limit. Now what we have to do is we have to split the string message into one or more parts, and the length of each part should be equal to limit, except the length of last part can be at most limit, which means the length of first all parts excluding the last part should be limit, and length of last part should be between 1 to limit. Now what we have to do is each string should be in the form of this selected part should be the form of each string, where a is the index of current string, is starting from 1, and b is the number of parts in which we have split the strings. Okay, this is the suffix. Yeah. So let's understand from this example. 1 is the index of current string, and 14 is the number of strings in which we have split the message. And thi, because this is the suffix, so thi will be the part of string message. We have to do is, if we remove all these things and combine all strings, then the new string should be the message. This means every character should be present in the any index, and these should be consecutive. So how I approach the problem, so let me explain that. Okay, so we have a string which is something like which has something like this. From this, it has characters, lowercase characters and spaces. Okay, so now what I have to do is I have to split this into some parts. These are the parts. Okay, now let's say there are 8 parts. So for my answer would be 1 8, some string here, substring here, uh, some substring here, 2 8, and this goes up to 8 8, and some substring here. So now if we add these all substrings, this one, not this part, not this part. Okay, if we add this blue part, then the resultant string should be the original message one. Okay, yeah. So what I have to do is I have to find the answer string with the minimum length. Okay, so how can I do this? Okay, so if I can make a answer string of length x, let's assume I can make answer string answer vector of length x. This means I can split the message into x parts. Then I can also split the message into x minus 1 parts. Yeah, if I don't include the condition that length of each string should be limit, I can also make x minus 1 part, but it is not sure that I can make x plus 1 part. Yeah, so from this what we can use that we can use binary search on x. So what is the minimum length x that we can split the string into? Yeah, what is the minimum possible x in which we can split the string message, so that the length of all strings is limit, and the length of last string is at most limit. Yeah, so I will use binary search. Yeah, one thing I have to note is length of each string is at least 3. It is obviously greater than 3 because these 3 is always included in this string, so limit should always be greater than 3. If it is less than equal to 3, then my answer is empty vector, because if it is not possible to split, I have to return empty vector. Okay, so let's move to the code part for binary search. Yeah, okay. So if limit is 3, I am returning an empty vector, and else I am applying binary search on x, which is basically right now mid. So it can be from 1 to n plus 1. X is the number of strings I am splitting my original message into. This means x is the length of answer vector. Okay, mid, and digit is the number of digits of mid. Digits of mid. Okay, now I am maintaining temporary number n, tn, which is equal to n. N is the message row size. Okay, so now what I am doing in this, let me show this here. Yeah, okay. Now I am assuming that the length, sorry, the length of the answer is mid. Answer vector is mid. Okay, so the length of all these strings from 1 to mid minus 1, if it is indexed from 1, so that should be like, if this is my करंट स्ट्रिंग है ना, सो इसमें 3 करेक्टर्स तो ये होंगे, ये एंड ये 3 करेक्टर तो ये होंगे, दिस विल बी दिस. ओके, डिजिट इज द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स ऑफ मिड, because length is mid, so here length of b is mid. Okay, now dig I, current position, which is a, so dig I will be a here. Yeah, okay, and now limit is the size of the string, so limit minus this will give me the length of this part, which is of string message. Okay, so I am subtracting that from tn, so my left part of message is tn. Yeah, I am doing this for all the strings except the last one. Yeah, and for last one I am doing this. Okay, let me copy this. Shit. Yeah, yeah. If tn plus 3, tn is the left part of the message, and 3 is this one, this. Tn plus 3 plus digit is the length of the answer vector, number of splits, and digit is the length of mid also, and I am right now at index mid. Okay, is less than equal to limit, because the length of the last string should be at most limit, should be less than equal to limit है ना, and limit should be greater than equal to 3 plus digit, because 3 is this one, digit is a, and digit is b. Yeah, limit should be greater than equal to, because we have to, this much should be present in the last string also. Before this we can have empty substring, but this much should be present, so limit should be greater than equal to this, and limit should be greater than equal to this also. Yeah, if this is the case, then my ed will be mid. I am decrementing my range of value, because mid can be the answer, so I am making ed is equal to mid, and answer will be ed. Yeah, and if this is not the case, I have to increment my st, because mid we cannot split message in mid parts, so I am making st is equal to mid plus 1. Yeah, so this is the code of binary search, and I have initialized answer with -1. So if it is -1 at the end, then I cannot split the message into strings. I am returning empty vector. Else I have the answer, because each time I am doing this, I have the answer. Now I have to do, what I have to do is, I have to split message into answer number of strings, each of length limit, and last string will have length less than equal to limit. So what I have to do is, for I is greater than equal to n is the size of message, current string is empty. Now digits is the count of the current position, which is initialized from 1, because answer vector will be initialized from 1. Yeah, because a is from 1, here it is written a is to be replaced with the index of the part starting from 1, so cnt is basically a. So number of digits in cnt, dig function is here, left part. Okay, so now left part will be for all these strings except the last, this will be this one. For the last string it will be minimum of these two, because last string can Basically left is the length of the substring of message that I will include in the current string. Like if my message is this one, so मैं इसमें से कितना पार्ट करंट स्ट्रिंग में इंक्लूड करूँगा, ये लेफ्ट है. कितना लेंथ ऑफ कितना पार्ट, जैसे 4 लेंथ की सब स्ट्रिंग इसमें इंक्लूड कर रहा हूँ, 5 लेंथ की, दिस इज़ माई लेफ्ट. सो sorry, yeah, so it will be limit minus digits, because digits is the number of digits of b, minus 3 for brackets and slash, and fdig. Sorry, fdig is the digits of length, and digits is the digits of current position. This, so this will be the length of substring that we have to take from message, and if I am at last position, then it will be for minimum of both. Temp plus is equal to message dot substr from I to left, so it will make a substring starting from I position and of length left. Now I am adding this one, so my answer will be like, this is the substring I have added. Now I have added this bracket. Now I am adding slash. No, now I am adding cnt. Cnt is the current position, which is basically a. Now I am adding slash. I am adding b, which is answer. Now again bracket, and rest dot pushback temp. Now I am incrementing my I by left minus 1, because I have taken the length left, so incrementing it by left minus 1, and here it will increment by 1, so overall it will be incremented by left part, and my counter basically a is incremented by 1. At last I am returning the result. So hope you understand. If you have any doubt, you can contact me on Discord. Thanks for watching. Bye.